Hey, it's Anissa. Today I have for you an awesome deal on these LED lanterns with realistic flickering flame candles. They look real, but they're not. You never have to light them, you never have to replace them, and they're safe. Best of all, they're battery operated, so you never have to plug them in, and you can place them anywhere. By anywhere, I mean indoor or outdoors, and they look great on a tabletop or a shelf. And outdoor, they look great on a porch, and you can even hang them up. Now, what I love about these, they're great for decorating, whether it be a special occasion, holidays, or even different seasons. It's easy to decorate because there's 3 settings. You've got on, off, or a 5-hour timer. You actually get real glass on each panel, and the vintage look is timeless. And it's available in 2 colors. You've got black, or the packaging says copper on this one, but I say it's more of an oil rub bronze. Now, what's really great is our super low price. Plus, when you buy more, you save more. So head on over to the site and grab 1 or 2 today.